Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network, and make sure battery is above 20% so the update won't halt. Once done, confirm you're signed into the correct Samsung or Google account, otherwise updates may be blocked. Now, open the app source, tap Galaxy Store for Samsung apps, or open Google Play for third-party apps. This first step ensures you access the right store and that download's complete without interruption. You now locate the app inside the chosen store. In Galaxy Store, tap Menu Updates, or in Play Store, tap Profile Manage Apps and Device Updates. This shows pending updates. If the app isn't listed, you search and open its page, then tap Update. When you press Update, watch the progress bar and notification. It shows download and install steps. If multiple apps update together, use Update All to save time, but know it uses more bandwidth and may take longer. You finish by opening the updated app and checking that key features work. Verify version and app settings if available. If the update fails, don't panic. Clear the store app cache and data or free up storage space, then try again. Make sure background data and permissions are allowed. If problems persist, restart the phone, then attempt reinstall. Uninstall and reinstall the app. One key tip: if network errors repeat, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data briefly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.